Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'm Ki. In today's video, I'm going to show you part 2 of this flower bag. If you haven't seen the part 1, please click into the linked video or click into the right corner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet petals and the strips. We are going to use 5 pins to separate the bag into 5 sections for 5 petals. Each petal has 11 stitches. Let's count from the first stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And insert the pin to number 11 stitches. Just to remember here, we only count on the stitch, not the chain space. We don't count the one that already has pin. We count from the stitch next to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And insert the pin to number 11th stitch. Please use this way to insert another 3 pins, so 11 stitches as a section. And this is what it looks like after you insert all the pins. Now pick whatever color you like for the petals. Mine is red. I'm using 2 strands of April yarns. I want the petal to look a little bit bigger. Insert the hook to any pin stitch. Make sure the inside of the bag is facing you. Outside of the bag facing the other way. Pull the yarn through. I'm hiding the ends while I'm crocheting. You can also just leave it in within the ends and the end. Now we are crocheting chain 5. Insert the hook to second stitch. 1, 2. From second stitch, insert the hook, pull the yarn through. Insert the hook to next stitch, pull the yarn through. Insert the hook to next stitch, another stitch. So there's 5 loops on the hook. Insert the hook to the next stitch, not the chain space. Pull the yarn through. Now you have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over hook, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over hook, pull through 2 loops. Another 2 loops. 2 loops. Yarn over hook, pull through 2 loops. So in total you pull through 2 loops 5 times. And chain 1. Look back of the stitch, there's 1 loop. Insert the hook to that loop and pull the yarn through. The next stitch, pull the yarn through. And next stitch, 4th. Then to the next stitch, back to the bag. So now pull the yarn through 2 loops once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, hide the yarn, 6. So yarn through 2 loops 6 times. I'm just cut the ends off here. And now chain 1. Now look at the side of the stitch. There's loop on the back, on the side. Insert the hook, pull the yarn through. To the next stitch, pull the yarn through 3 times. 3rd stitch, 4th stitch, 5th, 6th stitch, and back to base stitch. Go through 2 loops twice, 3 times, 4, 2 loops 5, 6, 7 times, and chain 1. Insert the hook to the side of the loop again, 1 time, 2, insert the hook, pull the yarn through 4 times, 5, 6, 7, and back to stitch 8, pull through 2 loops once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Following, we are going to pick up 8 times again. So insert hook to the side loop, back loop actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go to stitch, back stitch, make 8, and pull through 2 loops 8 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Until here, since last round we don't have chain 1 anymore. So when you come back, crochet on the back base, the chain space is skipped. We don't crochet in the chain space, we only crochet in the stitch. For the next row, also pick up 8 times. So insert the hook to the back loop, pull the yarn through that loop, 2nd times, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7 times, and go to the stitch, make another one, and pull the yarn through 2 loops 8 times. Following, we are going to reduce 1 stitch. So normally we pick up from this stitch, now we skip and insert the hook to the next stitch, pull through yarn 7 times, 6 times on the petal and 1 times on the stitch, and pull the yarn through 2 loops 7 times, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. And next round we are going to skip 1 stitch as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next stitch, crochet in brown part and pull through 2 loops 6 times. Next round we still reduce 1 stitch. Start from 2nd stitch, pull the yarn through 3 times, 4, and the 5th stitch is the brown stitch. Pull the yarn through 2 loops 5 times, 3, 4, 5. And now we are going to snip stitch on the way back. Skip 1st stitch as well, and snip stitch from the 2nd stitch, 3rd stitch, 4th stitch, and back to the brown stitch. That's 1 petal finish. And you can insert the hook to the pinned stitch to start the new petal. It's just repeating what we just did. Please follow this pattern and finish another 4 petals. After you finish all the petals, snip stitch to the 1st stitch to join the round. and just tie it and weave in the ends. And cut off the rest of the yarn. The main part of the bag is finished. Following, I'm going to show you how to crochet the straps and the mini flower. Let's start to crochet the mini flower. I'm using back to 1 strand of April yarn. Let's start with a magic circle. If you don't know how to make a magic circle, use chain 4 instead. Make a chain 4 and snip stitch to the first stitch and it will become a circle and you can use it as a magic circle. Make 10 single crochets in the magic circle. That was 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull the yarn tight and snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. And chain 1, 2, 3. Yarn over hook. Insert hook to the same stitch to make a half finished double crochet. Make another half finished double crochet in the same stitch. And pull the yarn through 3 loops. That's 2 double crochet bobble stitch. We are going to make another bobble stitch to the next stitch. 1 bobble stitch, chain 3, snip stitch to the next stitch. Following, we are going to repeat the pattern. Chain 3, make a bobble stitch in the same stitch. Pull the yarn through 3 loops and make another bobble to the next stitch. Chain 3, snip stitch to the next stitch. Please use this pattern to finish another 3 petals. After you finish 5 petals, snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Chain 1 and cut off the yarn. And weave in the ends. And cut off the rest of the yarn. I'm using brown color for the straps, so insert a hook to any stitch between the petals and make 60 chains. I try to hide the ends while I'm crocheting. And cut off the rest of the yarn and make 60 chains in total. After you finish chains, just cut off the yarn and pull it off like that. Leave some ends to collect with another flower needle. Now we need a yarn needle to pull the strap to the right place. So we're not going to insert the needle to the last round. We insert the needle to the last second round. Pull it through chain space and skip 1 front post stitch and then just repeat this way. Skip 1 set and skip 1 until you finish the round. Now you can use the same way to make another flower. And I use yarn needle to collect the strap and the flower together. Collect to any stitch between petals. Insert a hook to the strap and back to flower. Tie it. up to the strap again and back to flower. So this way it will be not so easy to be pulled off. And cut off the rest of the yarn. Yay, you did it! This is how you crochet this flower bag. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss out my other videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.